What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Roblox error code 429. An error occurred during the authentication and how we can fix this up. So let's get started. So the first one is all about what we need to do is the issue 429 is because of the server issue that is happening. So right now the first and foremost step is all about we have to download the Roblox from this particular over here. You should be downloading this version. So if you're having the Roblox, just uninstall it. Then you have to re-download back the Roblox and you have to check if that is not going to fix the issue, because right now the issue is with the developer end. So either you have to uninstall and try reinstall it back and you have to check, or what you need to do is you just need to use the VPN. So I'm suggesting either you can use the Proton VPN or you can completely use the Urban VPN, because these two Proton VPNs are actually free where you don't have to pay anything. So just download these VPNs and you can use the location, for example USA or UK or whatever it is. You can just change the country of where you're actually locating, then try joining to the Roblox server and you can see it will be working fine. So you can try both these, it is all up to you. You can use either Urban or Proton VPN, that's all fine, you can use it. Next one, if you're using on the mobile data, what I'm recommending is while you have to signing in back, you just need to make sure one thing, you use the mobile data and afterwards you can connect the Wi-Fi. That is only the one solution, because you don't have to do anything, either just uninstall and reinstall back and get into the VPN, use the VPN, and that will be working fine. That's it. I hope this video is helpful. Bye.